The vendor search page allows you to search vendors and or their employees, set up report templates that you use on a regular basis, email vendors and their employees, as well as the ability to export into Excel and review results that are displayed. You are able to set one or more filters to search vendors and employees. Your search result will display all your vendors and or employees in grid form which match your search criteria. At the top left of the page, enter your search criteria. As a minimum, you will need to type one or more characters into the main search box and click on the search button to initiate a search. However, the more you refine your search, the easier it will be for you to review the results of your search. The advanced search function allows extremely refined searches to be conducted. As an example, you may want to see all vendors with a public liability insurance policy which has been rejected. Hence, you can simply add this into the search criteria at the top of the page. Once you have completed your search criteria, press the search button to display the results. You can further filter any search result via each column by selecting the filter icon at each column header and making your selection from the drop-down options presented. If you want to clear a previously filtered column, you can select the Clear Filter button displayed on the filter drop-down selection for that column. The Clear button at the bottom left of the page will clear the current search results and all filters which may have been set. You are able to group data anyway by dragging the required column or columns to the blue Grouped By area. Any grouping or multiple groupings will display total vendors or employees against the individual group names in blue. By selecting an individual vendor or employee, a number of buttons will become available at the bottom middle of your screen, which will allow additional actions to be carried out. By pressing the View button, you will be able to view the compliance information for the selected vendor or employee. The Demote or Promote buttons will only be available for vendors and where a client has various levels of accreditation. The options available will be displayed depending on whether that vendor can be moved accordingly. Pressing the Email Vendor button will allow you to send an email to the selected vendor. On the bottom left of your page will be a number of buttons which perform additional actions. If you wish to email all vendors or employees displayed in your filtered search, you can click on the Send Email button. You will be able to add comments and attachments to your email. You will also be able to remove one or more recipients from this email once the email page has opened. You can export your search results by pressing the Export button. This will allow you to save this file to your computer. Finally, you can create as many unique searches as you wish and save them as templates for future use. The Save Template button will allow you to save your search criteria. You will need to name your search and then click on Save to complete this process. All saved templates will be available at the top right via the Report Template drop-down box.